Hello, this is M. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have an overview about how we can customize our menu option in Excel. So I would like to start by highlighting the fact that that might depend on your subscription type, your license type. You might have Excel 2016, 2019, a subscription-based model, so that could depend, but in most cases, what you are going to see today is going to work with most of the versions that you might have. So let's start with the very first question: how we can reset to the defaults the menu that we have up here. So currently we have some of the menu options: the file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, and pivot. Power Pivot. Please do watch the dedicated videos for each one of the menu options, and let's get started. So to reset the defaults, let's go to the file option, to options at the bottom, then to customize ribbon, and from here, from customization, we can click on reset and to reset them all. Then we can confirm, we can click on yes and OK, and we have the initial format of the menu that I used to have for my current version. But let's imagine that you want to customize your menu options, and you do not want to have the Power Pivot here and neither the help option. To do that, you can go to File, Options, and then again customize ribbon and untick the Power Pivot and untick the help and press OK, and those one disappeared. So you can choose whatever you want to have up here. If you need them later on, you can reactivate them at any time. What we are missing from most of the default views, also because we have this option of hiding ink from review, we don't have any ink option or drawing option. So to activate them, we can go to File, Options, and then to customize ribbon, and we can add that draw option, and then the draw option will show here. What the draw option does or has is mainly a number of colors of pens that we can use. So we can change the color, we can change the thickness of the color, and then what we can do is simply to start by drawing here. If I want to erase it, I can do it from here. So I can do it from here and it will start to erase everything, but I have another option which is not visible for the moment. Let's go there, back to options, back to customize ribbon, and let's say that we want to have an ink dedicated menu after drawing. So before adding any new tab, menu tab, what you need to do is to select the tab after which you want to have that new option added. So I will select draw in my case, and then switch here from the popular commands to all tabs, and here I can, for instance, take the ink option and add that ink option just after drawing, and let's press OK. Now I have the ink option here, which allows me to have some additional options for my drawing. So you can play with that as much as you want, and of course you have also an eraser here, so you can add that ink option. And in fact what you can do is to scroll among the tabs and to see what would you like to have added if there is something else that you would like to have added. And also, if at a certain point there is no need for a specific option, like for instance you had a project, you need to draw something or to use the ink function in Excel, and then you are not going to use it and you are not going to lose space by deactivating here, so disappearing from the top back, but you simply want to remove that, what you can do is the reverse action to go to ink and then click on remove, and that option will get back to the initial source. So this is how you can customize your menu options. If you have any questions, any specific questions, please just leave me a comment below and I will be more than happy to answer. Like that video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a perfect day ahead. Bye bye.